Okay, Kyle, get your shit. Do it. Do some shit.
Take pictures, but don't have the flash on. You can get.
I don't have a flash.
Alright.
You fucking shit.
I am a fucking shit.
Do some light shit. Good job. I like it. Wee. I'm making this video better by talking. Wait, you guys. Woo. Peyton Place.
Peyton Place.
Back to Kyle. Hello, Kyle.
A new Peyton.
Oh. Right in the legs.
Oh, not my legs.
My precious legs.
I missed that sweet ass leg of mine.
Good job, Kyle.